Good afternoon, students. In this chapter, we'll start with the second chapter, that is sources of corporate finance. We will cover the topic meaning and features of preference shares. This is one of the important question from the board point of view. Essay type question can be asked as explain the meaning and features of preference shares. We'll first start with the meaning of the preference shares. The word preference share itself says that preference shares get preference over the equity share for receipt of dividend during the lifetime of the company and repayment of capital at the time of winding up of a company. Now, what is the receipt of dividend during the lifetime of the company? It means when the company earns a profit before making the payment of dividend to the equity shareholder, the dividend will be given to the preference shareholder, and then if the profit is there, then the dividend will be given to the equity shareholder. Repayment of capital at the time of winding up of a company. When the company has decided to wind up the business or liquidize the business, at the time of the repayment of capital, the first repayment of the capital will be given to the preference shareholder and then it will be given to the equity shareholder. So, in case of the preference share will get the dividend prior to equity share, and second, at the time of the liquidation of the company, the first repayment of the capital will be given to the preference shareholder and then it will be given to the equity shareholder. Preference shareholder gets the fixed rate of dividend which is decided at the time of the issue. The rate of the dividend given to the preference share is fixed. That means, for example, 10% non-cumulative preference share. At the time of the issue of preference shares only, the rate of dividend will be decided. The rate of dividend will not depend upon the amount of the profit. More the profit or less the profit, but the dividend rate on preference share will remain the same. They don't have the voting right like the equity shareholder. Preference shareholder will not get the normal voting right like the equity shareholder. They can give the vote only on the matter related to their interest. Preference shareholders are the co-owners of the company. They are not the real owners of the company. Preference shareholders are the co-owners of the company. So, they cannot take part in the management of the company. They are not called as a controller of the business. Normally, the cautious investors buy the preference shares who are interested in safety of investment and steady returns on investment. Normally, those who are the very cautious investors are there who require the steady repayment or steady interest or steady return will definitely invest in our preference shares. Now, we'll start with the definition of the preference shares. Preference shares are those shares which are not the equity share. In short, the shares which are not the equity shares are called as the preference share. So, from this meaning, we can say preference shares are those shares who will get the preference over the equity share for the receipt of the dividend and repayment of the capital. Next, we'll start with the features of the preference shares. First feature is the preference for the dividend. As I've explained in the meaning of the preference shares, this preference share will receive the dividend prior to the equity shareholder. It means when the company earns a profit before making the payment of dividend to equity shareholder, the first payment of dividend will be given to the preference shareholder. After making the payment of dividend to preference shareholder, if any amount of profit is left, then the dividend will be given to the equity shareholder. In short, preference shareholder will get the preference for the receipt of the dividend over the equity share. Second is a preference for the repayment of capital. When the company wants to wind up the business or when the company wants to shut down the business, company has start making the repayment of the capital. At the time of the repayment of the capital, the first repayment of the capital will be given to the preference shareholder and then it will be given to the equity shareholder. So, in case of the repayment of capital, this preference share will get the preference over the equity share for the repayment of the capital at the time of the winding up of a business. Next is the fixed return. Preference shares carry dividend at the fixed rate. It may be in the form of fixed sum or at the fixed rate. In short, preference shareholder get the fixed rate of dividend. How much dividend will be given? That will be decided at the time of the issue of the preference shares only. The dividend of the preference share will not depend upon the amount of the profit. More the profit is there or less the profit is there, but the rate of dividend will remain the same on the preference share. Here one thing is that it is fixed return means what? It is not compulsory that the board of director has to compulsorily give the dividend. If no profit is there, no dividend will be given to the preference shareholder. In short, when the company earns a profit and decided to give the dividend, that time fixed rate of dividend will be given to the preference shareholder. This fixed return may be in the form of the fixed sum, that is fixed amount, or fixed rate, that means rate of the dividend will be decided at the time of the issue only. For example, 10% non-cumulative preference share. In short, this preference share will get the 10% rate of dividend when the company incurs the profit. Next is nature of capital. As you seen that equity shares are called as the permanent capital, but preference share is not a permanent capital. It is redeemable in nature. Now what is redeemable? Redeemable means what? This preference share will be redeemed after a certain specific period of time. As per the Companies Act, no company can issue the irredeemable preference share. That means after a certain fixed period of time, this preference share will get the repayment of their capital. For example, 10 years convertible preference shares or 10 years cumulative preference share. That means this preference share will get the redemption of the capital after completion of the 10 years. Company cannot issue irredeemable preference shares. It is a safe capital as the rate of dividend is fixed. Equity share is called as a risk capital, while in case of the preference shares, it is a safe capital because first of all here the rate of dividend is fixed and second is repayment of capital is sure or repayment of capital is certain, as company cannot issue the irredeemable preference shares. Next is the market value. Market value of the preference share will normally not fluctuate. It will remain the constant. The reason is that here they are getting the fixed rate of dividend. As the dividend is not fluctuating, market value of the preference share will not fluctuate. Fluctuation will be more in case of the equity share because there the rate of dividend keeps on fluctuating, which depend upon the amount of the profit. The rate of dividend on preference share will remain the same throughout the lifetime of the preference share. So the market value of the preference share normally will not change. Voting right. These preference shares are not the real owners of the company. So they will not get the normal voting right like the equity share. They get the voting right or they have the voting right on any resolution of the company directly affecting their rights, that is change in terms of the repayment of capital, dividend payable to them are in areas for the last 2 years. In short, whichever the matter is related to the dividend or is related to the capital, only on that matter only preference share is having the right for the voting. Next is the risk. Preference share is less risky compared to the equity share. The reason is, first First of all, these preference shares are redeemable in nature. That means we will get the repayment of capital certainly. And second is the fixed rate of dividend. The amount of dividend will not depend upon the amount of the profit. So normally the cautious investors purchase the preference shares. Safety of capital and steady returns are the advantage of the preference shares. As I said, preference share will get the fixed rate of dividend. So because of these two reasons, the preference share is called as the less risky capital compared to the equity shares. Next is the face value. Face value of the preference shares are normally higher than the equity share because here the rate of dividend is fixed. Because of that reason, the face value of the preference shares is normally higher than the equity share. Equity share dividend keeps on fluctuating. So the face value of the equity share is normally 1 rupee or 10 rupee. While in case of the preference shares, as the rate of dividend is fixed, normally the face value of the preference shares is 100 rupees. Next is right or bonus issue. Preference share will not get or will not entitle for the right issue or the bonus shares. Both these rights are given only to the equity shareholder. Preference shareholder will not get the right issue as well as they will not have any right for the bonus share. Whenever the company issues the bonus share, it will be given only to the existing equity shareholder. Same is applicable for the right issue. Whenever the company comes with the right issue, the right is given to the existing equity shareholders only. In short, preference shareholder will not get the right for the right issue or the bonus issue. Next is the nature of the investor. Normally, those who are very cautious investors are that they will only invest in a preference shares. The people, those who are the risk taker, will not invest in a preference share. They will better invest in a equity shares only. Investors who are moderate or conservative, who are not ready to take risk, normally invest in preference share because as we have seen, preference share is a safe capital. Return is fixed, even redemption is also fixed. So normally those who are very cautious investors are there, they will invest in a preference share. Investors who want steady returns invest in a preference shares. As we have seen, preference shareholder used to get the fixed rate of dividend. So the investors who want the steady return or fixed return will invest in a preference shares. So these are the features of the preference share. In short, from these features we can say that preference shares are normally the safe investment and they will get the preference over the equity share for the receipt of the dividend and repayment of the capital.